Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a pocket watch and change the battery on it. I know a lot of people don't know how to do this, so that's why I'm going to make a video on it. Most people don't even know how to first get them open. Now they're all different. Mine, you need to take something and pry it off the back. The back pops off. Then you see this little plastic here. That's what holds the battery and everything in place. So you need to get this here out. Try not to pull everything out at once. Just like that. Now you see how this back piece came out? Now that's the actual clock inside there. And if you do what I did, and you end up getting it stuck in there, it becomes a pain to try and get it back. So you don't want to bend this up here. See that wire there? It's wanting to bend. Now I gotta figure out how to get it back down in there. First, I guess we can go ahead and pop this battery out of here. That's the bad battery. You don't want to be hard on these because it's easy to break them. It's kind of jammed in there now. There we go. Just had to put a little pressure here and it popped right back in. Okay, so now that we got that taken care of, there's this little wire here. Let me get some tweezers. I can kind of show you a little better. I know the lighting's not the best here, but bear with me. I finally got a tripod here. There's this little metal piece here. That just kind of flickers up. That's kind of something else that holds the battery in. So let's get our new battery here. Some Energizer. Pop that out of there. You gotta angle the battery just right just to get it in there. There we go. So we got the battery in there now. You can see that wire there. That wire there is kind of... My fingernails are a little dirty. I was welding on a trailer today. So it's pretty dirty out there. So the battery gets in there. Try not to break that little metal piece off because they bend easy. These pocket watches are very fragile. Let's get our plastic piece back out here. Put that just to where it covers the battery. And you got to get this line here matched up. Everything dropped in there. Push all this down. First, let's see if this works here. It's working. Yep. Okay. We can shut that. And put this back on here. And that's how to change a pocket watch battery. Now I just got to set the time. If you don't know how to do that, you just got to pull this here up. And you'll be able to twist this around. See what time it even is. It's 9:43 here. I'll just go backwards. It's closer this way. Right. So we're at 9:42. Right here, 9:43. Push that back down. and it should start working. And that's how you change a pocket watch battery. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like if it helped you out. Thanks for watching.